Hi, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we are going to do yoga for diabetes A and B, type A, type B. Type A, your body stop producing insulin. Type B, when your body stop receiving insulin. So we are doing simple asanas, kriyas, and I'm going to give you a beautiful diet tip also. Let us start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Stress is the main reason of everything, so please do meditation every day. Now we are going to start with Mahakriya. Mahakriya is the best kriya to control diabetes. Make a fist, deep inhalation, exhale, slowly come forward, exhale forcefully. Very slowly come up. Exhalation helps to clear toxins from your body. It helps to increase blood circulation. So please do Mahakriya. If possible, do it before your food, 10 minutes before. Excellent kriya to activate your pancreas too. Now let's do Pawan Mukh Asana. Now let's do my favorite pose. This we call Paschimottanasana Asana. Very good asana for your pancreas. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly go down. And release. Guys, do not do any intense asana and kriya. Do it very slowly and get the best result. Now let's do simple kriya. Right hand, left hand. Deep inhalation. Exhalation. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You are just increasing the speed of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. When we inhale, expand your body. When exhale, contract your stomach. Let's do it one more time. And release. Now let me give you a beautiful diet tip. Very good for your health. After 5, stop eating oily food, junk food. Drink lot of water. Every half an hour, half glass of water. And to control diabetes, the best thing, you can take turmeric water. Every morning, empty stomach, take turmeric water. Excellent way to control diabetes and very good for detoxification. So guys, do like and share. Thank you.